Everybody, thank you for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We have a 2015 Audi Q5, 87,000 miles, a really pretty blue, 3.0 supercharged. So to my opinion, working on these and selling these, probably the best engine in that time frame Audi made with the 3.0 supercharger. Very reliable. Has good Michelin tires on it. Really nice car, all-wheel drive. And it's pretty loaded up, has a pano roof, backup camera, Audi blind spot assist. The interior is really clean. Check out the big roof, has a sunshade, heated seats. Go ahead and start her up. You can see it's 87,830 miles. Push button start. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout, 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you for checking out our video. If you have any Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche vehicle that is in need of service or any other luxury vehicle, definitely give us a holler. We can try to help you out. Thank you for checking out this video.